tofu with minced fish today. Stay tuned with me guys and I tell you how I made this recipe. Tofu, minced fish, oil is our ingredients today. Let us prepare everything. There's a lot of tofu in the market, so you must choose which one is suitable for frying. So I choose this one for frying. It's not easy to broken. I need cornstarch for this recipe. I need to remove some in the middle so that I can put some stuffing of minced fish in the top. Just like this. Very easy. This minced fish, you can buy it or you can buy it in the market. You can also make your own. Very easy. Just do like this and then put a little cornstarch in the top, and then you can put the stuffing in the top. Yeah, just like this. Very easy. And the kids and my boss love this tofu with a combination of light sauce. Yeah, this one is ready to fry. Make sure the oil and the wok is very hot so that the tofu will not going to stick and will not going to broken, so the texture still the same. Just fry it, and you need to balance now and then your fire. Make sure it will not going to burn your tofu. This one is very nice, especially the crunchiness of the tofu and the toppings. Yeah, it's very nice, really. Chinese, Korean, and I think some Asian country love this one. Even in the Philippines, we also love this one. I don't know in American or other country. I'm not very sure. Okay, just put in a plate after you fry. Then arrange it. And then you can prepare your sauce. I choose light sauce for this one. Now it's ready to eat, ready to serve, well cooked, ready to put in the table. Thank you all guys for watching. Until next my video, bye, shalom.